Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And not a lock related video for you guys today, more tool related. Yeah, yesterday I got a package in the mail. Actually, we have a door entry system here, so I got a call on my phone and there was a delivery guy downstairs, and I was kind of surprised. Kind of forgot that that I ordered something. Was surprised how quick it was that it came too. But I answered my door, and the guy is standing there with this huge ass box. And first thing in my mind was, holy crap, that's one hell of a box of locks. Yeah, I quickly realized that that it was something that I had ordered from something I got my brother to order me from my Amazon. So it's not locks, but I'm still extremely happy about this. It's I'll show you the box it came in. I'm sure you can tell where this is from. It's a knife sharpener. It's a knife sharpener that requires less skill to use than one of these. I've been trying to learn how to freehand sharpen, and I know this isn't the best stone here, but I'm sure all the knife aficionados are going to tear me apart for this. But yeah, some knives I can get extremely sharp with this thing, but other knives like this thing, I just end up screwing up and making them extremely dull. So I decided to order a knife sharpener, and from the research I did, this was a great one to look at. It's basically almost a carbon copy of a very sought after knife sharpener, very popular knife sharpener. Yeah, it's basically the same thing, aside for a few minor differences. And again, I'm sure the knife people will say, yeah, that's a piece of crap because it doesn't have this, doesn't have that. But from what I can tell, it's, like I said, almost a carbon copy, except for the stones and except for a few pieces of hardware. But yeah, I'll just show you guys, maybe that aren't familiar, how this would be used. So you get the base, suction base, just like the devices we're kind of used to. And in fact, it's the same exact hole pattern, so if anything ever happened to this crappy base, which I'm sure is quite possible, I can either mount it to a piece of wood or use my my sturdier vacuum base from my vise. But so we get that, and we get, this is pretty nice, just a little bag with our stones and our I guess arm and foot, and they even throw in a little Sharpie there. So let's try to get a better view of this thing maybe. So I guess first thing, we'd put the foot in. This just gives it a little extra support aside from your vacuum base. Just put that in loosely for this quick demo. And your arm would go in like this. Sorry. Okay, I guess it would go in like this. I guess I have to take off that little thingy. Oh. Oh, I got it in the right place. Oh, there's a lot of threads on there. Anyway, so that goes like that. Let's aim that up a bit. Maybe see if I can do a bit better. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard to do. There we go. So that goes like that. Again, looks like we have to take off a little rubber here at the end of the rod. So I think you can see where this is going here. Again, this would be vacuumed down to a smooth surface. And I'll just grab a random stone here. And the stone kind of basically dovetails in, you can see there, into these little holders here. And you'd put your knife up here, you'd adjust your, not sure what to call it. And you can see how this would, you know what I mean, make no mistake of keeping the angle that you're looking for. You can measure the angle, or as most tutorials will show you, you would basically put some Sharpie on your bevel and do a couple strokes until you're reaching your full bevel, not just at the tip, not just at the front, but the whole thing. And then you'd go and basically sharpen your knife. Kind of the same theory at that point. You wait till you get sharpen until you get your burr, and then flip sides and do the same thing, and then keep going up the grits till you have a nice edge. I'm obviously no pro at this. I actually haven't used it yet. I've been itching to try it, but I just wanted to make this quick first impressions video before I tried it out. I'm sure I'll end up sharing my results with you guys in the future. And I don't think I mentioned it at the start, but this is not intended for the knife nut. This is more for my regulars, people that are into lock picking and stuff. Because I know the knife nut, this is too basic for them, and they already probably know all this information. Anyway, I'll leave you guys off with that. I'm gonna probably go try this thing out, give it a quick once over, and try to fix this this knife that I really messed up trying to sharpen on my oil stone there. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching, and let me know if you want to see another video of this. Hopefully I can get a nice hair popping edge on my knife there. Yeah, like I said, appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again.